What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have another rim for you guys. This is vzn118493 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. Now, this is our TRX style matte black wheels, and sadly it does not have the sizing on here, so I can't read them off to you guys and show you at the same time, but I'm going to go ahead and read them off to you. Now, the rim size is 22 by 9, the offset is plus 18, the bolt pattern is 6 by 139.7, and it's a 78.1 millimeter hub. Now, let's go ahead and open it and show you what it looks like. Honestly, love the design of these rims. Kind of reminds me of a video game I used to play. I used to throw these rims on pretty much every single one of those cars. Now guys, we do throw a fair bit of protection on these to protect your rims during shipping. That way they arrive to you safely. First, we'll have this felt liner. And of course, if you still have your original rims, you can throw this on there to protect them. Then we have a plastic edge guard, and then just a bit of foam for that extra added protection. Now honestly, I love the design of these rims. As you can see, it is a 6-hole bolt pattern with our vicrez center cap, of course. And then I believe it is a 7-spoke rim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, it's a 6-spoke rim. And the size is a 22 by 9. So it's a 22-inch rim, so it's on the bigger side. And I just love the design of the spokes themselves. It's not like most of our other rims where it's just a straight line coming off and then spreading into other lines. It's kind of more like a straight Y shape. Now that's pretty much it for this rim. If you want to see more videos just like this one, go make sure to check out our YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.